Live here, work here, grow here. This 5.8-acre mixed-use property in Maine delivers the rare flexibility to build both a lifestyle and a business in one location, complete with a visible storefront shop, a large detached multi-purpose garage, strong road frontage, and a private in-ground pool for downtime after the workday ends. Infrastructure and location create a strong operational foundation. The Cape-style home provides a welcoming retreat at the end of the day. Featuring 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, the layout balances function and comfort. An attached garage adds convenience, while the backyard transforms into a private oasis with an in-ground pool, perfect for summer gatherings or relaxing evenings. Beyond the storefront, the large detached multi-purpose garage expands your options even further. It's well-suited for vehicle repair, trades work, equipment storage, workshop space, or showroom conversion. The flexibility allows you to adapt the space as your business grows. Location adds another layer of value. Positioned roughly 30 minutes from the Maine coastline and Augusta, the property offers access to larger markets while maintaining a manageable rural setting. Customers benefit from easy access, and you remain close to essential amenities. For investors or buyers seeking expansion, the property is part of a larger parcel with subdivision plans available. Opportunities that combine residential comfort, storefront visibility, and commercial flexibility are increasingly rare, making this a smart move for those ready to operate and live smarter in Maine.